What's going on, guys? Thanks for joining my channel, Robinhood. This is Bob. In today's video, we're going to go over a viewer's question. He just wanted me to kind of go a little bit more in detail on what I mean when I sell call options or when I buy them back. So I'll go over a live example of me selling a call option, and I'll go over a couple steps of what I do to buy them back. So let's get started, guys. What's going on, guys? So today's video we are going to go over realty income. I'll show you step by step on what I do when I sell a call option. I currently have 400 shares of realty income, so I will go to trade O options. I will hit sell a call. So this basically tells me that I am willing to sell 100 shares per option at a certain strike price. That I'm willing to sell it at a certain price. So I will pick a $65 strike price here. It's always good to look at the bid ask. So right now the low end is at $90 and the high end is at $100. So it usually gives you a mark at $95. So the low that someone paid was $80. So the volume is low right now, but there is a lot of open interest. So if I did want to kind of get a quick option to get this executed right away, I could always just pick the $90 bid, but it would show a negative because the mark is at 95. So you kind of want to keep track on what the stock price is. Just for the sake of this video, I'll show you what to do to try to get it executed faster. So if you hit the plus sign here, continue, and then I have 400 shares, so I can do 4 contracts. So it's at 65.50. It's been floating around 65.40 to 65.55. So I will do 0.9 just to show you this example live time. So if I do it for 0.9, it gives me $90 per contract, which is a credit of $360. I'll hit review order and I'll hit submit. It should go through pretty quickly just because I did go on the lower end of it. So if we check out my portfolio here with realty income, you can see that my activity I have with realty income, $65 call at $4.16 sell, 4 contracts. It actually gave me an average cost of $92, which is good. So it gave me a credit of $368 to do this option play on here. So as you guys can see right now, 4 contracts. So it says I'm at negative $4 because it's saying the average right now is at 93 bucks. But for the most part, what I expect to happen is for this stock to go down, and then once this actually drops down, like I said right now at 85, I actually can buy this back. So I got it for $92. So what I will do on the backside of this, I will have buy to close. So following up with you guys with realty income, like I said, I have 4 contracts at a premium that paid me $92 each contract, and that totaled $368. So what I like to do, guys, to make money, I sell call options, and if the stock does start to go down, the call options become cheaper. So I was able to buy 1 contract back at $70. So this made me a profit of $22 off of the 1 contract. And then later in the day, I was able to buy 3 more contracts at $75. So just doing this quick, 2-hour difference here made me $73 just doing this. And like I said, if I can get that daily, every few days, it doesn't always work in your favor, but for the most part, if you're familiar with the stock and how it fluctuates, a lot of times you can get a quick $10, $20, $30 off of it, in a short period of time. And also, guys, later in the day, it did rise back up to where it was just about when I bought the call option, sold the call option here. So I was able to get 4 more contracts at $90. So if tomorrow opens up lower, I will be able to buy this back at a discounted price. So if I did buy it back at $80 or $70, that could be an instant, $40 to $80 profit. If you guys want to see more of these options, I may not be able to do it live when I buy it, because a lot of times the order may not go through right away, because I usually like to pick on the higher end, and then if the stock goes up, it'll be automatically executed. Because if you go on the lower end, you're kind of going to get less money than what you could possibly get. But if we check my history out, I probably do 10 to 40 call or orders a day. So you just see today here, some of them gets canceled, some of them doesn't get executed. But like I said, I did a sell call on AT&T. I did a sell call on Realty Income. I did a call option to buy and sell with Alibaba. Like I said, this was only $10, but like I said, I'm not a greedy person. I just try to make a quick profit. And you see the buy and sell call here, got canceled. This is the buy call that we showed you guys earlier. I did end up buying more AG&C at an average cost of $17.02. It's at $17.11 now, so right now it's been a pretty good buy. I did end up selling my Tattooed Chef. I'll go over that on my week 15 video, why I did that. And we go with Realty Income, so you guys can see just today of all the moves that I made. Like I said, not all of them got executed, but there's so many moves on here. So if you guys want me to make a video on the moves that I make daily, I can definitely do that. It may not be a live buy, but I could show you like the buy and the call and the sell. But just let me know in the comments, or if there's a specific stock that I have that you're more interested in for me to buy and sell, just to get a better idea how you can make money selling your options and buying it back, or just selling it and holding it. So definitely comment below. That's gonna be all for today, guys. Hit the like button and subscribe. Any questions, just let me know. Thank you guys. You have a great day.